The Total Performance Diagnostic Report header is displayed when you first log on to your account, or it can be accessed at any time by selecting the New Report tab. To complete a cooling performance report, first locate the Report section of the header and click on Cooling. Total Performance Diagnostic displays the Cooling Performance worksheet with its familiar Readings In, Results Out format. The CFM override and static pressure fields are for special applications, so we will leave them blank for now. In order to complete the readings side of the report, we will first need to collect 4 pieces of information: nominal tons, return wet bulb, supply wet bulb, and outdoor ambient temperature. Entering the filter size is recommended but not required for cooling performance calculations. We can get our nominal tons from the manufacturer's model number. In this case, we have a 3-ton system. We'll enter a 3 in the nominal tons field. Our filter size is 24 by 20. Return wet bulb is 68. Supply wet bulb is 62. And our outdoor ambient temperature is 98 degrees. Click on Calculate Results, and Total Performance Diagnostics will display the results. The Results section of the Technician's Worksheet displays in 4 columns. The first column displays the item being evaluated. The next 2 columns display the low and high ranges that have been customized by your company using the Total Performance Diagnostic Preference Modification menu. The last column contains the calculated performance results. The bottom section of the results box summarizes the information into a single cooling performance percentage, 73%. All out-of-range readings are displayed in red to further alert the technician when a problem condition exists. Let's look at how a technician might best use the performance report by taking full advantage of additional features within Total Performance Diagnostic. Let's display the client report for this client by clicking the Save Report button at the bottom of the Technician's Worksheet. The client report contains the same information as the Technician's Worksheet, but in a more client-friendly format. The cooling performance percentage is prominently displayed for easy reference. Just below that, the individual low range, high range, and system readings are displayed. The client report gives the technician a good visual aid when discussing specific performance problems with the client. The bottom section of the report includes a list of reasons the client should want to make the recommended repairs, and a list of some common repairs often associated with this type of performance problem. Separate boxes will appear for every out-of-range reading. By this time, the technician should have identified what repairs are actually required to correct the problem and be ready to recommend the proper repairs. Once the repair is completed, the technician can click on the back button of the browser and return to the Technician Worksheet. Using this method will save the technician the time of re-entering the client's name and other header information. The readings information will have been removed from the worksheet, but the header and results information are still visible. Once repairs have been completed, the technician can enter the new readings. Nominal tons is still 3. Filter size is still 24 by 20. The return wet bulb is still 68. Supply wet bulb is now 60. And the outdoor ambient temperature is still 98 degrees. Again, click on Calculate Results. Total Performance Diagnostic displays the new results. The system is now operating at 95% of capacity and within all high and low range requirements. The technician can again click the Save Report button, this time to display a new client report representing the system performance after the repairs have been completed. Presenting clients with before and after reports is an excellent method of building client confidence, differentiating you from your competition, and providing clients with the type of assurance that will keep them coming back. If the technician would like to quickly display both before and after reports to the client, they can select the Total Performance Diagnostic Report lookup menu. Select today's date for the report date. Select Show Only My Reports, and then click the Search Reports button. 2 or more reports will display, sorted by client name, date, and then time. Select the report you want to view. After viewing the report, click the back button on the Internet browser to return to the report lookup screen and select the next report. This allows for easy viewing of before and after reports. Client reports are automatically emailed to the client when the client's email is entered into the report header. Client reports can be printed using your browser print screen options. To learn more about Total Performance Diagnostic, please view our other video titles.